This is between the moments. This space is not about finding answers or making sense of everything at once. It is simply a place to pause and notice the space between clarity and confusion. You do not need to stay the whole time. You can drift in or come back later whenever it feels useful. You understand something clearly. The idea makes sense. The steps feel visible. And then, slowly, the clarity fades. New details appear. The picture becomes less defined. What felt simple now feels harder to hold. Here are a few ways someone might respond. Try to force the clarity back, revisiting what once made sense. Feel frustrated, noticing how quickly confusion arrived. Or allow the confusion to be present without trying to resolve it yet. Confusion does not always mean something is wrong. Sometimes it simply means the understanding is still forming. You can pause here if you like. Someone explains something to you. At first, it sounds clear, then questions begin to surface. The more you listen, the less certain you feel. You notice the pause between nodding along and realizing you are not sure. Here are a few ways someone might respond. Pretend to understand, hoping clarity will return later. Ask for clarification, even if it feels uncomfortable. Or take time to process without responding immediately. Understanding does not always arrive in the moment it is expected. Sometimes it arrives after the pause. You move between moments of knowing and moments of not knowing. One feels steady, the other feels uncertain. The shift happens quietly, without warning. The pause appears between wanting certainty and accepting that it is not there yet. Here are a few ways someone might respond. Search for more information, hoping it will settle the confusion. Step away entirely, feeling overwhelmed. Or remain with the uncertainty, noticing how it feels to not know. Clarity and confusion often move together. One does not cancel the other. The pause allows space for both to exist without needing resolution. Moments like these, between clarity and confusion, can feel unsettling. not because understanding is lost, but because it is still changing. This space is not here to remove confusion or demand clarity. It is here to notice the pause between them, where meaning is still taking shape. We'll pause here for a moment,